Hello guys, my name is Lazaro and today we're going to be doing an easy LeetCode problem. This problem is called delete node in a linked list. Write a function to delete a node in a singly linked list. You will not be given access to the head of the list. Instead, you'll be given access to the node to be deleted directly. It is guaranteed that the node to be deleted is not a tail node in the list. So let's look at the examples. Here, the node they want to delete is 5. And that's the only node we're given access to. We're not given access to the head of this linked list, which the head is 4. So they want us to delete 5. Basically, instead of having 4 point to 5, we need 4 to point to 1, which is how they arrived to this answer. Now let's look at the second example. Here, it's the exact same linked list, but now they want us to delete 1. So instead of 5 pointing to 1, the answer will be 5 pointing to 9, aka deleting this one node. And that's all the examples they have. So now let's get into the logic of how we'll be solving this question. So basically this is the link we have. And they want us to delete 5. And the easiest way of doing that is to get what 5 points to and make the value equal to each other. Make the value the same. So instead of having 4, 5, 1, 1, we would now have 4, 1, 1, 9. But now here the issue is that there's 2 repeating 1s. We don't want that. The answer is just 4, 1, 9. So how do we update this to only have 1, 1? Well, the answer is also really simple. Let's get what used to be 5 and is now 1. Let's see what that points to. That points to this one right here, this node right here. And then let's see what this node points to. This node points to 9. So since what used to be 5 is the exact same value of what 5 used to point to, we can also update what used to be 5 and is now 1. Let's update what it points to. So instead of pointing to 1, let's just have it point directly to 9. And that's how we get the right answer. So basically, we're given the node we want to delete, and what we do is we copy the value of the node we need to delete's next node. Once we copy that value, we see what the node that we need to delete, we need to see what its next node points to, which in this case was 9. And then set the node that we want to delete, its next, set that node's next equal to 9. So now let me give you guys another example. If we're given a list that starts off with 1, 2, 4, and then 7, and we want to delete 2, what we want to do is first copy the value of the next node of this node we want to delete. So that would be, now it will become 1 points to 4, 4 points to also 4, and then 4 points to 7. And you know what, let me extend this one bit, so it's a little bit different. Now, we want to get, since there's 2 4s, and that's the wrong answer, there's only 1 4 in the right answer, the right answer is 1, 4, 7, 8. What we do now is get the next node of the node we want to delete, which is this 4 right here. And then get the next node of this one, which is 7. And since 7 points to 8, it's everything else. Now we set the node that we want to delete, we set its next equal to this. And now that basically becomes 1, 4, 7, 8, which is the right answer. So another way of looking at this question is basically we're given a node, but what we're really deleting is the node that's next of the one we're given. So we're basically deleting this one. And the reason why the answer is correct is because before we delete it, we copy its value. So now that we know how to solve the question, let's see how the code would look like. Now the code is also super simple and really short. Since we're given the node, we first want to copy the value of the node next to it that it points to. So the current node we have, node.value, set that equal to node.next.value. Also, let's now update what the current node points to. So node.next, let's set this equal to node.next.next. And this is how we solve the question. Here we're copying the value of the next node, and then here we're updating what the current node that we want to delete points to. And this is all the code we need to solve this question. So now let's check if it actually works. So let's first update the current node's value. And let's make it equal to the value of the next. Then let's change what it points to. Let's make its next point to node.next next. In other words, let's make its next point to its next next. And this is all the code we need. So now let's run this and see if it actually works. It's accepted. Now let's also submit it. And it gets accepted. So this was a really short video, but if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. We send out problems like this for beginners and advanced programmers every single day so they can just become better at these interview questions and hopefully land an interview and then an internship and then a job. So if you guys are interested in joining our Discord server, the link is down below in the description, so make sure to click on that. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys for watching.